Kids, good morning. How are you? Hope you are doing well. Okay, so most probably that please keep in your mind that in the month of January, end of January, last week of January, again one more assessment will be there. Okay, like this you have to prepare, and this time I am requesting you and to parents also, please you attend the exam, please write the exam whatever we are conducting. Okay, you have to write, must. Hmm. Otherwise at the time of promotion it will you will face a difficulty. Okay, you will face a problem, so you have to write the test, one and all. Okay, okay, fine, thank you. And now what that you know very well, which chapter is going on? Yes, fraction, right? Fraction is going on. And last week I taught you what? Should not forget that addition of like fraction, addition of unlike fraction, comparison of fraction, all these I taught. Okay, how to convert into mix fraction, improper to mix, mix to improper. Okay, all this already I have taught you. Now today, this week, I am going to teach you fraction of subtraction of unlike fraction. Okay, subtraction of unlike fraction. So for this, let us we do one maths lab activity. Okay, so see this, this is your maths lab activity. Topic is subtraction of unlike fraction. You know very well what is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means the fraction having the different denominators, that they are called unlike fraction. Okay, okay, subtraction of unlike fraction. Unlike means fractions with different denominators. Okay, now materials required, what the materials required for you, that take a rectangular piece of chart paper. You can take rectangular piece of chart paper and do it and paste on your notebook, and click the photo and send to me. Okay, and if you are not getting chart paper, you don't go with that I have to do on with the chart paper, then simply you draw on the notebook only, no problem. But if you have a chart paper, you do with the chart paper, proceed with the chart paper. So piece of chart paper, activity is divide it into equal 12 parts. This one, this is your rectangular piece of chart paper, or draw on the notebook only, class notebook, and divide into equal 12 parts. So this rectangle you divide into, so what you will get nicely if you will take this one 4 centimeter and this one 3 centimeter, then very easy to divide it and you will get correct. So this is 4 centimeter, 1 2 3 4, and here 3 centimeter. Like this you draw two rectangle. Okay, and that is this one divided into equal 12 parts, like this. 1 centimeter, take the scale and divide it 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. So this is 12 parts. Count it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. 12 parts. Now out of these 12 parts, what you will do, you shade 4 parts. 1 2 3 4. 4 parts you have to shade. Okay, so method is shade 1/3 of the rectangle. 1/3 of the rectangle, in the sense 1/3 means, okay, 1/3 of total, how many parts is there? 12 parts. So 1/3 means 1/3 of 12 parts. So 1/3 of means into 1/3 of 12 parts is how many parts? 4 parts. That's why you have shaded 4 parts. If you consider like this also, 1/3 means this is 1 2 3, full 1 part out of 3 parts, full 1 part you have to shade. Like this also you can think, or you have to take like this, 1/3 means 1/3 of total 12 parts is 4 parts. Okay, now we have to subtract 1/4 from this. From here 1/4, from 1/3 1/4 we have to subtract. 1/4 we have to subtract means 1/4 of 12 parts. So 1/4 of 12 parts is how many parts? 3 parts. Okay, 3 parts we have to subtract from 1/3, right? From 1/3. Now what you will do? You have to 3 parts means you rub the 3 parts. You rub the 3 parts. So whenever you rub the 3 parts, this one, okay, do with pencil so you can rub. So how many parts is left over here? Only 1 part is left over here. So now the question was 1/3 minus 1/4. So 1/3 means I wrote here, that is 12, 1/3 of 12 parts. Okay, so 1/3 means so 1/3 minus 1/4. So see carefully, 1/3 means out of 12 parts that I have shaded 4 parts, right? Out of 12 parts, earlier I shaded, no, just now I rubbed. So it is 4/12. 1/3 means 4/12, and minus 1/4 means I have rubbed 3 parts. So 3 out of 12 parts. So 3/12. Actually, this is your LCM. 3 4s are 12. 3 is the prime number. So their product is the LCM. So like this 12 will actually coming here, because out of 12 parts I have earlier I was shaded 4 parts, so 4/12, and after that I have removed 3 parts. So out of 12 parts only, so 3/12. So now it is 4. How many parts was left over here after rubbing? Only 1 part out of 12. So this is your answer, 1/12.